Hey, what's up everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video I'm going to introduce you the best circuit tracer I have used. If you have a 120 volt or 240 volt plug, wire, safety coil and you are looking for a circuit breaker, then it can be really hard or time consuming without knowing where is a circuit breaker. I have used this tool for almost 2 years, and each time I have used it saved a lot of my time and it worked 100% for me. So I decided to make a video if anybody looking for circuit tracer so they can buy same one or they can see what they are looking for. Now I will jump to the actual circuit tracer and see how it works, and then we'll talk about how to set up and how you can trace your circuit. Now let's start. So before we start testing this unit, let's talk a little bit more about this unit. This unit is made by Passer and it's called Imp-Probe. Imp-Probe is the brand and model number T100. It can trace wire circuit which one is from 9 volt to 300 volt. It also can trace wire without any current inside. So now let's go to the test mode and see how this unit is working. Now if you see, we have two things sitting on table, and one is a receiver, one is a sender. I will explain you in a minute what that means. When you buy, it comes with this wire. One side I have a 120 volt plug, and other side is just like a female plug to plug in one of the sender unit, which one is a generate signal. So we simply plug in, we are ready to test our circuit or trace our circuit. As you can see, the second one I have a couple switches on it. That one is like a receiver. It's gonna trace a circuit. It's gonna locate the breaker. It have a couple switches. You can move to any mode you want to. It can trace circuit, it can trace wire, it also can send signal. So if you are tracing wire or you are tracing a circuit breaker, process will be same, only the switch need to be moved on designate test. Like say suppose I have to find out breaker for this receptacle. I have 120 volt power already, but I don't know where is the breaker. So simply we are going to plug in our one unit which one is generating signal, and I have a wire to a inside 120 volt plug. As soon as I plugged in, you will see this unit start blinking between indicate me I have 120 volt power to my unit. On the second unit, which one is the receiver, I have a one side switch, have a 3 position. The bottom one is a circuit tracer, middle one is generating signal, the top one is tracing wire. So if we are going to trace circuit breaker, we are going to flip the switch to the circuit breaker or circuit tracer mode, and another switch is just a momentary switch. If you push, it will go back to the original spot, like it just push like that. So now I will hold the switch and put on the unit. You will see it just detecting signal as soon as I go to close. So we are going to do the same process on the circuit breaker. In your case, you have to go to the multiple breaker panels. If you don't know, but I know which unit this breaker located, so I will go to that one to show. If I put my meter on the unit, if beep a little bit, that means yeah, the breaker going to be in this panel. So second one is 100% detecting, so that means that's the breaker for my receptacle. So once I have a turn off breaker, there is no signal. That means yes, I have already find a breaker. If I turn power back on and press it again, it start detecting signal back again. That's really easy, 100% efficiency. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.